Okay, we're going to go through our first example of calculating dividends when we have both common and preferred shareholders, and then doing the journal entries. Okay, so our company has the following stock authorized, issued, and outstanding. We have 4,000 shares of $5 par value common stock. We have 1,000 shares of $100 par value 9% common or preferred stock. Okay, and we're going to declare and pay a dividend of $10,000. Remember, preferred gets paid first. So the first thing we need to do is calculate how much we're going to pay to our preferred shareholders. I'm going to actually do this over the side. So it's going to be number or par value, which is $100, times the number of shares outstanding, which is 1,000, times the percentage, the stated dividend percentage, which is 9%. 9%. Okay, and that is going to be plus 100 times 1,000 times 0.09, or a dividend of $9,000. Okay, so our preferred dividend, I'm just going to move this out a little bit. Here we go. Our preferred dividend is going to be $9,000. They get paid first, so they get their full $9,000 before common gets anything. Our total dividend is $10,000. Less preferred, so preferred is getting $9,000 of that. Which means that common will get 1,000. Okay, so there was 10,000 total to be had. Preferred gets paid first. According to their preferred stock, it's 100 par value 9% preferred stock. So when I did the math, they get 9,000, and after I pay them, 1,000 is left for the common shareholders to fight about. Okay. On the date of declaration, I'm going to debit retained earnings for 10,000, the whole amount of the dividend, and then I'm going to credit dividend payable preferred $9,000. I'm going to credit dividend payable common for $10,000. Okay, at the date of record, remember there is no entry. And at the date of payment, we're going to debit dividend payable preferred for 9,000. Then I debit dividend payable common for 1,000. And I'm going to credit cash, because we're paying cash, for the whole 10,000. Make that 10,000. Okay, so that is example one. At this point, the dividend we paid had enough money, or that we declared had enough that we were able to make our preferred shareholders whole. So it didn't matter if they were cumulative or non-cumulative. But in examples 2 and 3, that's exactly what we're going to look at. Okay, so I'm going to end this video for example 1, and in the next video, we'll do example 2. All right, see you then.